few things to talk about before we start this video. This intro is going to be in the beginning of the next couple of videos because these are old footages. What happened was we got 2 community guideline strikes, right? And just like baseball, 3 strikes and you're out. I didn't want to be out, so I decided to stay in complete avoidance of streaming. It probably doesn't make sense to you, but in my head it makes sense. But now one of the strikes dropped, so we about to drop the old videos and get to the new stuff because I'm about to start streaming again. So within the time that I haven't been streaming, and now I went and got a warehouse, which you would know if you are subscribed to Cool Kid from BX or Cool Kid from IRL. You should go subscribe to both if you're not. But I got a warehouse, and to celebrate the warehouse, I'm going to do my return to streaming as a subathon in the warehouse, TCK headquarters. Yeah! So, March 14th, pull up, join the Discord so you know exactly what time and when we start and all that good stuff. It's gonna be fire. I don't know how long it's gonna last. I might put a cap on it, I might not, but it's gonna be fire. So, yeah, I miss you so much and I love you so much. Enjoy these videos. And I guess I'm gonna see y'all at the subathon and then moving forward, you know what I'm saying? Give me some. No? All right, enjoy the video. I'll see you. All right. Bye. Wait, this video, police chase takes fatal turn after suspect drives through mall. This video is for educational purposes only. Make sure you strap in. You got some snacks? You good? You right? You ready for the video? This video is for educational purposes. I'm teaching you what not to do. Don't take my video down. Thank you. I hate when people like say in the comments, I do not own rights to this music. Bitch, we know. Why he yet, nigga, the video, it starts instantly with a big ass pistol and he's screaming. Jeez. Did he really drive through the mall or he drove through the JCPenney? Wait, I'm sorry. I know y'all hear when I pause, but it's too much. I'm overstimulated. It's too much going on too fast. You know what I'm about to do? I'm about to grab my popcorn. Let's do this. Hold on, bro. Let's do this right now, bro. Run it back. I'm sorry. No pauses. Oh, no. He's shooting. Should we keep watching this?
Oh. That's again taken out ASAP.
Runs?
That's gonna get
runs. If we're gonna get taken down, this video would be down right now. I don't want to see nobody die though. Do we keep going? Do we keep watching this runs? It's on YouTube, it's censored. Alright, bet, we good. Fuck it. Cause this is too insane for me not to see.
December 21st, 2024, Kylene, Texas.
4 days before
Insanely reckless chase
Christmas.
ends with officers fatally shooting the suspect after he drives his truck into a mall, injuring several others in the process.
Oh my
the
God.
The chase began after the suspect evaded a traffic stop on the I-35 and drove into the mall's...
Nigga, it was just a simple tent ticket. You gonna drive through the mall for a tent ticket? Shit.
parking lot after exiting.
So I got my yellow markers on. Moving to the middle lane now. Yeah, I got eyes on you. He's approaching, still middle lane, about 30 yards from the bridge. Trying to keep traffic off him. I just need you to stop. Yeah,
oh my
just
God.
freeze. We're gonna come up on you shortly. We're approaching Whataburger now.
Whataburger.
Yes, sorry about that. Still rolling middle lane. Just freeze where you are. Approaching Salotsky. He's jumping all the way to the right lane. Picking it up on the right lane. If you can start moving over, passing the Mexican grill. Good copy. Right there, approaching you.
Nigga, I'm locked in. CD, the TV's leaking.
This black one with the 296.
I used to like this truck too. When I worked at the airport, which I've said 1,000 times, I drifted this in the snow. I probably shouldn't be doing that on a clock, but fuck it. YOLO. Hit his ass. Damn, bitch, my popcorn. Shit. Oh my God. Yo, is this bumper gone? Is rear bumper? How fast they going? South side. I am locked in. I'm hungry. I should probably eat food, huh? I snacked a little too much today. Nobody asked. I'm just telling you. They should have took your DR1. What the fuck is that?
Shoulder
That shit is so slow. Ram Rebel, more like Ram Pebble, because it's not even a rock. It's slow. Sorry. Yo, pull up on him and pit his ass. Get in his butt. What's wrong with you? Oh shit, he just hit a speed boost on the road. On her Mario Kart shit. Damn, I really messed my wrist up, chap. It should hurt. A little bit. Jason, what up? Alright, when the hell are you gonna crash into the mall? I wanna see him crash into the mall. Meet me at the mall. It's going down. Y'all exhausted for the 3 months in advance. I don't even know how you know you're gonna like me in 3 months, but I appreciate it. Thank you. Uh-oh. After you shall receive, bitch. It look like a mall to me. Ooh, Evo 10. Evo X. Bust his ass.
North on the WS.
Bust his ass.
On WSM.
Shout out to Daquan for the 4 midgets. Appreciate you, big dog. Damn, a Sao Paulo yellow Pontiac.
Looping back around here.
What the fuck is that? Oh, a C8. Ugh. I only like Z06s and ZR1s. I'm a hype beast. The Stingray is just trash. I'm sorry. I don't like it. At what point do you just decide to drive through the JCPenney? I was right. It's really a JCPenney.
Officers through
why
the
am I yelling?
lot,
I'm sorry.
He turns into the doors of JCPenney.
Hey, I was right. Why am I yelling? I'm sorry.
Hitting 14 people as he drives through
This
the mall.
nigga ran through Fort. That's not funny. I'm sorry. Hold on. Just hold on. I'm sorry. That's not fucking funny. It's not funny. Chat, stop laughing. It's not funny. That's not funny, bro. It's not fucking funny. Stop laughing. Tee up, chat. Stop laughing, bro.
Police pursue him on foot.
Shit, I was about to go in the mall and give me some chocolates. You're fucking lying. No way. Yo, imagine just shopping for some moccasins and a bitch just... Oh my God! Nigga, he ran through the perfume aisle, the women's section. Close your
At
eyes.
this point, officers fire nearly 60 rounds at the suspect,
Damn!
fatally injuring him before he can drive to more crowded areas in the mall.
This nigga, he went to ATNs. Oh my God, I don't think we should show this part. Holy shit. He kept going. Oh my God. I don't want to show this part, bro. I don't know if we should. Is this bitch bulletproof? Yo! Next to the kids section, bro. Yo, fam. His foot might be stuck on the. Yo, this must be the most. Imagine being on the other side of the mall at goddamn Boscov's and you just hear a car and gunshots in the mall. Oh my God, yo. Nigga, move back. You are not a, yo, you about to, let the officers handle this shit. What you getting? Oh my God.
I can have cover if you guys get hands. All right.
I hope your hands.
Is it locked up? Hey, we have EMS on the way?
Yeah, we got EMS. We need EMS.
Holy shit.
Clean Mall, JCPenney.
Put cuffs on him?
Suspect down.
Oh my God, look at the bullets, bro. No, 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 don't show me the gun. Holy shit.
Like Warzone out here.
Oh God, nigga. Thank you for the Rolo. Holy shit. Is he dead? Is he dead? Don't show me this guy. I got a little popcorn in my beard.
No. Hold on. Hey, I'll grab him if we. Y'all ready? Let's go.
I don't want to see him. Okay, they got it blurred. Okay, they got it blurred. All right. Yo, this is some crazy shit.
I think we can come around from the other side. Hey, can we get one on the other side of the truck?
Yo.
Now here, let me pull this up quick. Come on. Here you go.
This is fucking crazy. Stop.
No, just him. So it'd be easier to get this one. It'd be easier to get him out that side.
Holy shit. Oh, that's a cop. I thought it was a random nigga. Or just a nosy nigga. I thought it was.
Hey, let's take him out the other door.
Damn, that was probably somebody's new storefront. They was about to put a store in that bitch. Not today.
All right.
Damn! Holy shit!
Hey, I don't have anything other than tourniquet on me. Let's go and detain him though, just in case.
Holy shit, bro.
There's one in the back. Check the head. Let's check the head first. Yeah, he's. This way. That one right there. Yeah. One right there.
Bro. Holy shit. Nigga! They better do a buy one, get everything for free out this bitch. Cause I'm sorry, it's not funny. Yo, I promise you, it's not funny. I'm sorry. But I'm not buying clothes that just got ran over. Like, I'm not. So, like, what do you do with this merchandise? Wow.
When we reacting to more cars leave meat fails and wins. I made you pause the video.
Oh, you're a piece of shit. I don't know, soon. Thank you for the dono. I'm not gonna lie. Imagine being in there as that like, imagine you just looking for a coat, a new coat, because it's cold outside, and you facing this way, and behind you, you hear, "Ow!" And you look behind you, and there's a warpath of just clothes and shit, blouses and pants and shit, and buttons, because they fell off the pants, because the guy ran over. And like, what are the emotions you feel? Like, how do you?
Go have some coffee. Then I'm gonna have to give a statement, and we're gonna.
Bro, just. God damn, bro. Damn, bro. Sir, move the fuck. Oh my God. I need to take life. Ooh, shit. Is she? Oh my God. Nigga. Hold on now. I see something.
John Darrell Schultz succumbed to his wounds at the
Look
scene
at that.
of the crime.
See that?
Thankfully,
Top
no
left?
one who was hit by his truck suffered from fatal injuries.
See that top left? You know what I'm about to do. That was fucking crazy. I hope everybody's okay. They said that everybody's okay. That's fucked up. That's insane. That's really, really unfortunate and bullshit. And it's just like, nigga,